This is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some mermaid scales. As you see on this hand, I got 2 fingers left on this hand to do. I ordered these stencils from twinkletea.com from the Twinkle Tea sisters. On my hand I have 1 coat of my base coat, First in Line by Sinful, Wet n Wild, black creme, whichever. 2 coats of this on. You peel your stencil. Sometimes the holes come out, sometimes they don't. Turn it over, peel it off. Might have to do this a couple of times to get all your holes empty. Place it on your finger, and you want to be careful of how you're placing it. If you place it the other way, you may end up with dragon scales. To make my mermaid scales, I am using Candy Johnson by Sinful collection called Mermaid Tail. This is a beautiful color, and it is perfect for making mermaid scales. Put your sticker on your finger, or on your nail. Sometimes it's helpful, well, this finger's a stubby nub and that's why I didn't do it. But to cut the tip of it so that you can bend this down over your nail. This finger's a stubby, so that's why I didn't. And there you go, you have mermaid scales. We got 1 more finger left to do. Take that, watch how you place it. Make sure it is stuck down to your nail. Oops. Cut the tip of it, so that way you can bend it down over your nail. Get your polish. Whoops. That was a rather large amount of polish that came out there. I don't even know if they still make this color. I do need to get it back up. Peel it off while your polish is still wet. Can't forget that. Always peel off while your polish is still wet. There you go. Now, once your nails have dried, use a glossy, fast drying top coat. Currently I'm using Seche Vite. I really like this. I was using Miss Impatient by Sinful Colors, but when it got down to like halfway, it became thick and stringy. I mean, really thick and stringy. But I do love all their other products except that one. So I've switched over to Seche Vite. This is a great product. It does thicken up when it gets down to like here, but it does not get stringy. Not on me yet. I'm still on my first bottle. You can see I still have some left. I'm in the tilting position when I use it. I hope you enjoyed this mani. Hope you will try it out. Remember, get the stickers, the nail decals from twinkletea.com. I do not have a code. I don't remember what I paid for them, but it wasn't much. And you get 3, 6, 9, 12 on a sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Yeah, 16 on a sheet. I'm sorry. And they're beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try it out. And if you do, let me know down below or on Instagram. I'm nailedit67. Or even email me pictures. nailedit67@gmail.com. Have a blessed day.